Have you ever heard someone mention of Lunar Monthly and wondered what they were talking about? It's not a new subscription service or a trendy lifestyle choice. In fact, it's a concept that's been around for millennia. 1. The moon's influence. The moon, with its mysterious glow and rhythmic cycle, has fascinated humans for as long as we can remember. Our ancestors noticed a connection between the moon's phases and certain natural phenomena. They observed patterns in tides, plant growth, and even human behavior. 2. The lunar cycle. The lunar cycle, or lunation, is the time it takes for the moon to complete one orbit around the Earth. This cycle averages about 29.5 days. Each phase of the moon, from new moon to full moon and back again, has been associated with different energies and influences. 3. Lunar monthly, a time of reflection. A lunar monthly is essentially a way to align your life with the lunar cycle. It involves paying attention to the moon's phases and using their energies to support your goals and intentions. 4. Benefits of a lunar monthly. There are many benefits to adopting a lunar monthly practice. It can increase self-awareness. By observing the moon's phases and tracking your own experiences, you can gain a deeper understanding of your emotional cycles. Improve intuition. The moon is often associated with intuition and psychic abilities. By tuning into the lunar energy, you can strengthen your connection to your inner wisdom. Enhance creativity. The moon is a powerful symbol of imagination and inspiration. By tapping into the lunar energy, you can unlock your creative potential. Foster connection with nature. A lunar monthly practice can help you appreciate the natural world and feel more connected to the rhythms of the universe. 5. How to incorporate a lunar monthly. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to a lunar monthly. You can tailor your practice to suit your individual needs and preferences. Here are a few ideas. Track the moon's phases. Use a lunar calendar or app to keep track of the moon's phases and their corresponding energies. Set intentions. At the beginning of each lunar cycle, set intentions for the upcoming month. Consider what you want to achieve or manifest. Perform moon rituals. Create your own moon rituals or participate in group rituals. This can be a powerful way to connect with the lunar energy. Meditate under the moonlight. Spend time meditating or reflecting under the moonlight. This can be a deeply relaxing and transformative experience. A lunar monthly is more than just a trendy practice. It's a way to reconnect with the natural world and tap into the powerful energies of the moon. By aligning your life with the lunar cycle, you can experience greater self-awareness, intuition, creativity, and connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.